specifics we are going to do, we will be talking about that a little later. How should we structure it? How do we structure this whole new effort? Let's do something esoteric, big. So like CDOT did in 1984, be idealistic, have a larger vision. That's what turned us on. Be decentralized, but have a leadership with a vision to monitor, with a focus to the goal. Empower people. Work like an internet, loosely coupled common powerful vision. Work in a project come mission mode, time and budget bound, but leave a lasting impact. CDOT originally operated in a window with Rajiv Gandhi finally. Can we use another window of opportunity to contribute more to this mission? Oh, here are our friends. Come. We seem to have woken up the journey. The powerful, well-motivated souls with the true CDOT spirit. Get the CDOT Google group going. Got the CDOT Google group going. Got everybody communicating and excited. Flushed out many ideas. Got Sam's time committed. Have a draft plan ready to circulate and actionize. Spoken, connected with many CDOTians around the globe. Have collected a set of volunteer leaders to execute the plan. So some of them they volunteered, some others we are volunteering them.
Chosen to volunteer.
So major ideas generated. This is a collage of ideas that you got. Pursue larger goals. Don't be afraid to think big. Contribute to nation building beyond telecom. The learning from CDOT experiment to be applied to many other areas, education, infrastructure, health and poverty removal at large. Plant the DNA of CDOT in many other spheres. Build telecom and IT product industries that would generate many jobs. Help create a Silicon Valley in India. Different views on CDOT. Revive CDOT. Some people say don't revive CDOT. It's a different story. Why are you questioning that? Involve current CDOT in our celebration. Some people say look, let them have their own celebration. But I think we will finally summarize what is our consensus on these issues. Really, I am stating things as it came. Debate, understand and document what we have achieved in CDOT and publicize it well so as to motivate a whole new generation. Seminars, speeches, panel discussions involving opinion makers. Continuous lobbying for what we recommend. Use this new window of opportunity to contribute to this country. Continue meaningful activities beyond the celebration. An event, continue. An event for us to recall, celebrate and enjoy. Family get-togethers. There must be enough informal events for the whole program. A web portal for CDOT alumni. Build an electronic album of all photographs and stuff. The e-version of the PDD revised CDOT coffee table book, Sam's favorite topic. Mementos, recognition and awards. Establish a detailed case study of successful CDOT experiment by a reputed management institution. Involve our vendors, manufacturers. Get contribution and sponsorship for funding these initiatives. Get some key events done at the same time, synchronized worldwide, so that people could participate globally. These are some of the ideas which came from all over the globe. So now we put something together. That was this document. So we had one review in Hyderabad, another review in Bangalore. This reflects the feedback from that. Then I called Sam. Look, we have to go to Delhi. At the same time, I thought he was in Chicago. Then he said, just come over. I landed last night. Just come. I can't say what time I can meet you, but I come. I invited him to this meeting. I thought this would be best. All of us together we can do. But he says, look, I know how he is in India. He's completely out of country. He doesn't have any country. He said, then I said, all of us will come to wherever you are. I said, don't do that also. You come alone because I'm completely unpredictable. I don't have any control. I don't want you guys just hanging around. That will be very disrespectful. So finally I said, okay, I'll go and get this feedback and then come and share, and another day he will join. So today 1 to 2:30. We had a quick review of this and his feedback is included. So Sam's review. We had a quick review with Sam today on a busy day. He seems to have started the day with a meeting at 6 a.m. in spite of a jet lag, having arrived a day before. Just like old days. Room 901, Akbar Bhavan, Sarkar, 1984. It was a typical Sam Pitroda review, exciting and energizing, and like always he was full of ideas. He liked what we had put together. The following slides capture some of the suggestions, ideas that came out of the meeting. 550 million young Indians were born after we founded CDOT. These guys have no clue what CDOT is. We must reach out to them. Typical Sam Pitroda style. I'm reading that.
आगे आ जाओ.
So the first one is 550 million young Indians were born after we founded C-Dot. These guys have not heard of C-Dot. We must reach out to them. Let us feel happy with let us not just feel happy with self-congratulation. Let's have an outreach program to reach our ideas to the young people, Rotary and Lions Club, academic institutions, industry bodies like FICCI, CIA, NASCOM, etc., ITS, Indian Telecom Service, Telecom Union folks, business schools, research labs, some schools, young members of the political parties, again. So we have to systematically reach out to these people what our thoughts are. Let us put the 1987 C-Dot report to the nation on the YouTube and as many other relevant stuff, including Sam's talk on innovation to CII. This is another solution. As many of our speeches...
Do we have a copy of this?
Yeah, we have a copy.
CIA.
Yeah. Serious Rao has it. As many of our speeches and ideas must be on the net, YouTube, easy to be reached out to a large. Let's make complete use of the internet. 1984 it was not there. Today we are there. We are globally connected. See, this meeting, so many people around the world know what we are doing. And there are some people wanted us to be on the Skype so that they can also join. So we are trying to do a webcast later. The planned web portal must be a repository of all our thoughts, past and future. Split the PR into two parts. One, the traditional PR through the media, and the other, an outreach program described above. He greatly liked the idea of continuing beyond Silver Jubilee. Let it be part of a C-Dot think tank, or is it an India think tank, which will act as a think tank for problem solving. It will be a non-profit, and we will get it well funded to become a sustained effort. And typical his reaction, hey, why not government doesn't do a think tank? No, government doesn't do think, they only tank.
That's right.
Our goal is to better the bottom of the pyramid in India through ICT technologies, making significant impact on education, healthcare, financial services, agriculture. What's the priority? We don't know today, Sagar.
Yeah.
We don't know today. We'll figure that out.
Okay.
The focus must be innovation. Use innovation. C-Dot was all about innovation. Many things we see it was done in a unique, different way. Use innovation to solve problems in India. Build industries that would apply these innovations to the entire emerging markets as an industry. Often, so this was a very important step. I think that in telecom, what we failed was we created a great services industry, but we did not create a technology industry. If only we had created a technology industry, we will be peddling these wares to the entire emerging market. There will be a $30 billion industry today. So we missed that opportunity. But today, let us see what we can do around ICT. The focus must be on innovation, which will eventually build the industry for the emerging market. Often, people are busy solving the wrong problems. Let's identify the right problems and suggest right solutions. He suggested we must think of having a longer function spread over 25 days for 25th year. Series of events all over the country. He committed to be here for 10 days, late August. Make a brochure about what we are doing, video, print, web portal stuff. We again pressed for the coffee table book. He added a number of new speakers to the existing list we had, comes later. This is some of the crux of this idea. Broadly, he has said it is okay and added some new ideas, new thoughts. So the people structure. A loose structure to achieve the current goal, reflecting C-Dot of 84. The governing council, we call that, Sam Pitroda, G.B. Mimamsi, Dr. Pitkay, set the overall vision and agenda. The steering committee, K.B. Lal, Y.K. Pandey, T. Chandrasekhar and Dr. Abral, S.D. Saxena, these were the leaders who were part of those fantastic days. I think these leadership will, the benefit of their guidance will continue to be available today. Guide the working groups, achieve their goals. Come below working groups, people like you and me. We want to make this thing happen. This is actual execution, led by a coordination group. We have thought of 8 working groups. Working group 1 on seminars and panel discussion India-wide. Working group 2 on souvenirs and mementos India-wide. Working group 3 C-Dot social networking, C-Dot portal, and possibly a spin-off book worldwide. Funding, collect contribution and sponsorship worldwide. Public relationship and reporting worldwide. Family get-together, informal meetings worldwide. C-Dot case study by an IIM in India. Beyond Silver Jubilee, what more to do in India. So these things are a little elaborated what they mean in the following slides. So members of the governing council and the steering committee are welcome to participate in these working groups, hands-on. They can also contribute. So the regions we have today in India, New Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad. Maybe Chennai we may add, depends on the numbers.